Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on the SAMSUNG Galaxy S23 FE phone. We need a small brush, about 2 centimeters long, with bristles that are only about 2 centimeters in length. It should be flexible, so that it returns to its original shape after being pressed, so that there is some force for cleaning. It has soft bristles, so it won't scratch the phone. In addition, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol, so that it softens the dirt when we clean, and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy all these items as a set on Allegro or Amazon, so you can easily find and purchase them yourself. If you don't have something like that, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium soft, not hard bristled, because a hard brush will scratch your phone. So, let's get started. So, we begin by thoroughly soaking the toothbrush. If you don't have a diffuser, you can use a regular container and dip your toothbrush in there. Of course, the phone must be completely turned off, not just with the power button, but fully powered down. And now, using a careful one-way motion, we thoroughly clean the port, starting in an upward direction for approximately 10 times. Here, insert the toothbrush as deeply as possible to get all the dirt out, then go in the opposite direction, downwards about 10 times, and repeat this cycle around 5 times. So that both the top and bottom are cleaned about 5 times, repeating it several times. Why not alternate directions right away? Because then you would be pushing the dirt into the port instead of pulling it out. That's why you should go in one direction several times, so that all the dirt comes out completely. After the whole procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes so that all the alcohol can evaporate from the port and to make sure there's no short circuit or anything like that. The alcohol itself won't cause a short circuit, but if you were to plug something in like a charger or something could happen, maybe a power surge or something like that. So it's best to wait those 10 or 15 minutes, then the alcohol will completely evaporate. You can then turn your phone on as usual and use it normally, and nothing will happen anymore. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. And see you in the next video.